with me.
Hi, my name is Remington. Don't you know my other videos? So, I saw one of my videos that only had 2 likes. Put more likes on it. I'll show you my animals and dinosaurs. First, I have my lion, polar bear, panda, lizard, turkey, a herd of horse, a chicken, rhino, and another rhino over there, buffalo, shark, crocodile, dog, dolphin, and a fish, scorpion, anteater, leopard, bunny, giraffe. That's a panda. That's a panther. Okay, a panther then. And a termite and a whale. Now let's go see my dinosaur friends. My dad, Rand's dinosaurs are so cool. So I got a Torosaurus, pterodactyl, spinosaur, raptor, carnotaur, stegosaur, giganotosaur, a parasaurolophus, and another spinosaur, stegosaur, and a Coelomys.
Coelophysis?
Yeah, Coelophysis. Brachiosaur, 2 T-Rexes, a raptor, and another raptor, and a raptor, and a raptor. And a Brontosaurus, Dilophosaur, Pharazinosaur, a Ankylosaur, another T-Rex, Triceratops, and whatever it's called, and a Carnotaur. So, do you like it?